How to get traffic to your Amazon affiliate site. Hello and welcome, and thanks for choosing this video course. In this video, I'll be talking about how to get traffic to your Amazon affiliate site. Traffic's important. It's what drives your revenue running. Without an adequate traffic level, you're not going to make any money. Amazon pays a commission from 4% to 8.5% with the average payout of 6%. So you can see that having adequate traffic is essential. Let's just say you've already got your blog posts written and also promoted them through social media, but you just don't seem to be earning as you expected. Because that's not enough to generate traffic. There are more things that you need to do to generate traffic to your site and get them to click through on your Amazon link. This video will teach you the steps to get traffic going to your Amazon affiliate site using backlinks and bookmarking. Backlinks are an essential part of the search engine optimization (SEO) process, as they are links that are directed towards your site. Backlinks are important for SEO because most search engines like Google give more credit to websites that have an adequate number of quality backlinks, therefore considering those websites more relevant than others in their results pages for a search query. Your website will then stand a better chance to make it on search engines. Also known as inbound links, IBLs, the number of backlinks is an indication of the popularity or importance of that website. Apart from posting your links through various social media sources, there are various other ways of linking back to your site. I'll be explaining the two other ways you can create backlinks to direct traffic into your site. First, you can create backlinks using article marketing. Article marketing is a kind of advertising in which you write and distribute articles to various outlets, such as article banks, forums, and newsletter publishers. The idea is to generate interest in your website, establish credibility as an expert in your niche, and create backlinks to your website that will improve your site's search engine ranking. Look for article directories to find submission sites that will accept and publish your articles. Include both niche and general terms in your searches to find a variety of applicable submission sites. There are some good article directories such as Squidoo and Hub Pages that can reach far and have wide readership. It's important to read the directory's rules in case they don't allow links in the post itself. If that's the case, you can just simply place the link within your biography at the end of the post. If you publish an article that's interesting and relevant by including your link within the post, you'll attract a lot of clicks on your link. There are a number of ways to incorporate Amazon products into your site, but one method that works very well is to include your Amazon product in articles. Here are the steps to create backlinks using article marketing. 1. First, you need to log in to your Amazon affiliate program at Amazon.com using your username and password, which is provided to you upon sign-up. 2. Once you've logged in, go to the best-selling products, which you can select from the drop-down list. Then choose the product type you want to sell according to the niche you've decided. 3. Then click on the Get Link to copy your affiliate link. Amazon has made this a very easy process for you to navigate and work with. 4. Now copy and paste the link into your documents. You will insert it shortly. After you're done with the 4 steps, you'll start with your post writing. 5. Start writing your review or recommendation. Be sure that you provide detail in your writing. Discuss about the good and the bad, the pros and the cons. Readers value the honesty aspect in a review article. Make your article between 300 and 500 words. Try not to go over 500 words because you'll lose your reader. A person's attention span usually does not last that long. 6. The next step is to place your article on the web for others to read. There are a number of article banks out there, but eZine Articles, which is found at www.ezinearticles.com, is one of the most popular and recommended. If you don't have an article account here or at any of the other article banks you wish to use, then you need to create an account. You'll need to provide your information and a photo so your customers can feel like they know a little bit about you. That's the first step to building a rapport and trust. 7. Paste your article and then in the signature line at your Amazon affiliate URL, which you obtained earlier. 8. If you have another product, just repeat the steps again. If you don't like to write or you're not a good writer, there are many sites online where you can outsource to hire a qualified writer to write your article for you. This is a great way to ensure you get a top-quality article. You can also use freelance writers to write your content for you too. Another easy way to create backlinks is to post your comment on blog posts written by others. Search for blog posts written by others on the internet and write an informative and relevant comment. Write quality and informative content that readers would find useful and appreciate. Don't just simply write, "Click my link," and leave. Most likely those comments will be thought of as spam and end up getting deleted by the admin. Find a few blogs that are relevant or similar to your topic. That way your comments and links will be relevant to your site as well. Bookmarking is a way to save a site's link. This is also another popular way to create traffic and get your links out there. You know how and when you want to save a particular site. You simply use the bookmarking tool on your web browser, right? That's exactly it. Only greater as you can bookmark your site anywhere and share it with anyone. At times when you're not at your own computer, you can use the social bookmarking sites created for you to bookmark links so you can access it anywhere you have internet access. A step beyond that is you can share those bookmarks with others. This is called social bookmarking. There are many social bookmarking sites. The most popular ones are StumbleUpon, Dig, Reddit, TweetMeme, Delicious, /Dot. Sign up on these sites and you can bookmark your new posts and share them with users. The most effective way is to have a group of friends at each social bookmarking site that you can share with. This way they can also share it with their friends if they find your post to be a good post. This is a great way to multiply the visitors and traffic to your site.